Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A17 and today I will show you how you can boot this device into download mode. So, to get started, you will need to grab a cable and plug it into your computer specifically and just have it ready for now. We do need this to basically access this mode. And on the phone, swipe down from the top of your screen. There we go. Select the power button and choose power off. So when the device turns off, you're gonna hold your volume up and the volume down at the same time, and while holding both of those buttons, you're just gonna simply plug in the cable that is connected to your computer. Now on the computer side, I do want to point out, you don't need to have anything open or anything like that. It just for some reason needs to be connected to the PC, and that's it. And also, I don't know if this will work on Macs. So anyway, I'm gonna start holding volume up and the down, plug it in, and there we go. Now we are not in the download mode just yet. We just need to press volume up to continue, as you can see right here, or you can press volume down to cancel, but volume up will take us to the download mode. You also probably just heard the sound from my computer that the device is connected to it. It doesn't matter. So that is how you can access the download mode on your Samsung. Now to leave this mode, you can see we have a quick message right here at the bottom that we need to hold our volume down button and the power button, or side key, which, the love of God, Samsung, all the buttons are on the side, and even the same one. So I'm gonna name it as it's supposed to be, which is the power button. The button that we turn on the device with, right? So by all means, it's a power button. So anyway, hold the power button and the volume down at the same time. And you want to hold it as long as it takes for this mode to disappear. Or basically the screen turn off. Like it did right now. You can let go of the buttons then, and the device will start booting up on its own back into the Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.